and welcome aboard the 2019 Galeon 485 HTS. My name's Kit Beaudry, and this morning we're going to take you on a walkthrough of this great Polish yacht. So here we are on the transom of the boat on the hydraulic swim platform, which is great for a small dinghy. You also have a very nice garage, which is great for an inflatable or just storage. You also have on the platform your steps that retract down when the swim platform retracts down, make it easy to on and off the boat. As we come into the cockpit, you'll notice easy access for going to the bow, both on the starboard and the port side. And notice this large U-shaped seating with a great sure shade so you can entertain out here in the cockpit. So we've now made our way into the upper salon of the boat near the helm. Over here you have great space for storage, also have a refrigerator. Off to the port side over here you have another U-shaped seating. While underway, raise the door and you can entertain from inside. And as we come to the helm area, you'll notice we have a single chart plotter, autopilot, your Volvo Penta gauges, and this boat does have Volvo Penta IPS D6 435 horsepower engines. So we've made our way down the steps to the lower galley. Very functional, easy access to everything. Your microwave, your cooktop, sink, tons of storage and cabinetry, and behind us we'll show you the dinette. So here we are sitting at the dinette at the lower galley. Tons of seating for numerous guests. For those days that it's hot and everybody wants to come down below, you can enjoy yourselves down here. We'll go in the master stateroom next. So here we are in the master stateroom, which is aft. You have tons of access all the way around the bed, large sofa, and notice the handcrafted finish of this 485. From the fit and finish behind the bed, the lighting, the stainless, the woodwork, the suede, everything is built in-house on the Galeon Polish yacht. Here we are in the forward VIP stateroom of the 485. Notice easy access again, both sides of the bed. Notice above the coffered wood touch from Galeon. And again, the woodwork all the way around this boat with the enormous amount of storage as well. So if you're looking to just relax on the bow of your yacht, you can do it on the 485 Galeon. Right here on these large sun pads, a great canopy that retracts up. Look, it's shaded. What better way to enjoy yourself on the bow of a big old sport yacht? So this concludes our video of the walkthrough of the 2019 485 HTS. We'd like to thank you for watching, and remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com.